Your windows are more than just a way to let in light. They're an essential part of your home's insulation, security, and curb appeal. Over time, windows can wear out, lose efficiency, and become a source of discomfort or costly repairs. If you're a homeowner in Severn, Maryland, keeping an eye on the condition of your windows is crucial to maintaining a comfortable and efficient living space. Here are some signs that it might be time to replace your windows. Drafts and poor insulation. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacing is if you notice drafts or cold spots near your windows. This often occurs when the weather stripping or seals around the window panes become damaged or worn. When air can pass through the gaps, it causes your heating and cooling systems to work harder, driving up your energy bills. In Severn, where winters can be chilly and summers hot and humid, the last thing you want is to be losing precious heat or cool air due to inefficient windows. Condensation between the panes. Have you ever noticed fog, moisture, or water droplets between the panes of your double-paned windows? This is a clear indication that the seals around the glass have failed. Double-paned windows are designed to trap air between the glass for added insulation, but once that seal is broken, moisture can accumulate inside, which affects both the aesthetic and energy efficiency of the window. In Severn's climate, the problem can worsen during the colder months, as moisture freezes between the panes. Difficulty opening and closing windows. If your windows are becoming difficult to open or close, it may be a sign that the frame has warped, swollen, or is damaged due to age or weathering. Wooden frames are especially prone to this issue, but vinyl and aluminum frames can also become problematic. Stiff or jammed windows are not only inconvenient, but they can also pose a safety risk, especially in the event of an emergency where you may need to exit quickly. Replacing old or malfunctioning windows will restore the ease of use and enhance the overall safety of your home. Visible damage or wear. Over time, windows naturally experience wear and tear from exposure to the elements, especially in a place like Severn, which has its fair share of rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. Cracks in the glass, chipped or rotting frames, or warped sashes are all signs that your windows are deteriorating. Damaged windows not only compromise the appearance of your home, but they can also lower its value. If repairs are no longer sufficient, replacing the windows will restore your home's aesthetics and improve its functionality. Increased energy bills. If you've noticed a significant increase in your energy bills despite not changing your heating or cooling habits, it may be due to outdated or inefficient windows. Older windows, especially single-pane ones, offer little to no insulation, allowing heat to escape during the winter and enter during the summer. This can cause your HVAC system to work overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can drastically reduce your energy consumption and lead to long-term savings. Noise pollution. Are you finding it harder to block out external noise? Whether it's traffic, construction, or noisy neighbors, if your windows aren't properly sealed or insulated, sound can easily enter your home. Modern windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, are designed to reduce noise pollution, creating a more peaceful living environment. If the noise outside is becoming a distraction in your Severn home, it might be time to consider replacing your windows. Outdated style or functionality. Sometimes, the need to replace windows isn't related to issues with performance but rather style or functionality. If your windows no longer match your home's design or are difficult to operate, replacing them with more modern options can refresh your home's appearance. Newer window models come in a variety of styles, finishes, and materials, allowing you to choose an option that enhances your home's curb appeal and complements your interior decor. Conclusion. If you notice any of these signs in your Severn home, it may be time to consider replacing your windows. Doing so will improve energy efficiency, enhance your home's security and aesthetic, and provide a more comfortable living environment. Investing in high-quality replacement windows can save you money in the long run, while also adding value to your home. Reach out to a trusted window replacement company to discuss your options and find the best solution for your needs.